Hello fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My people, since Yul Edochie go Abuja, the oturumokbo wey they use for his head, the thing don't they work well. And you see this oturumokbo this time around, yo go use am take face people wey give am. Yes. Because he no fit leave people wey give am oturumokbo, give am kayamata, give am juju, give am charm. Leave people wey they give am the charm, go put anger for another person body. You know, say anybody wey they don't they use charm for, anybody wey they don't they carry a name they waka, anybody wey they don't they carry a name they go different places, body go they pepper them. They always they get hot temper. Their temper they short temper that they speak the English. They get short temper well. They quit the verse because they are not themselves. So since Yul Edochie go Abuja, Juju Ekwensu has been feeding him with every kind of charm to turn his brain again. But instead of Yo to concentrate that charm on Juju Ekwensu, he use am take face me Edochie children. Whether not the one way Juju Ekwensu do for am, I don't know. Because at the end of the day, Juju Ekwensu and Yo they are desperate. They say they don't carry am back for inside that bottle where they put am before. They don't put am there again. They don't put am there. They never lock am, but he don't enter inside. Yo will be say he not care for his children since then. He they do his own they go. Me Edochie they do our own they go. The children they do their own they go. Everybody understand everybody's situation. Yo have started another family. He have cancelled his first family and start afresh. Fine, that is his choice. But life goes on. You know me say Yul Edochie start another family. Say the first children wey he get, they will stop. Their progress will stop. Their success will stop. Nothing can stop them. Nothing can stop their destiny. Not even Juju Ekwensu, the desperate husband snatcher. No matter the charm they use, they can't stop those children. There is something protecting them. Even the ancestors, when Juju Ekwensu they call, the ancestors of the Edochie, they will surely protect them. They are the door opener of that house. No harm can come to them. Anybody that throw any harm to especially Daniela, as they insult Daniela for social media because of Juju Ekwensu, make Juju Ekwensu know say that insult will return to her own daughter. Because Daniela is the first daughter. She is the Ada of the house. She needs to be respected. She carry work physically and spiritually. She hold that family for hand. She is not just an Ada. She is also the door opener. Her sister wey say they worship all these things, say she know all these things. Wey be say that they drag Daniela. So no matter what they plan, no matter any trap they set, e no go reach those children body. You see that Kambili Chukwu when it happened, it was out of mistake. And it will not repeat himself again. The earlier they know that, the better for them. So this time around, the charm they are feeding Yul Edochie with, I thought they're supposed to use charm to tie him down, make it for concentrate on Juju Ekwensu. Instead of them to concentrate, so they do charm. When they go tell Yul Edochie, make it go sell the papa house, make it for buy house for them. Instead of that, they do charm, make Yul Edochie go sell the mama car, make it take buy car for them. Make Yul Edochie they collect money for all the brothers, make it they give them, as he not get. They know they do all those kind of charm, but rather charms of evil. Now they sabi do. Yul Edochie way the day he lays is there because he know the situation of things. Say he is not welcomed and he will never be welcomed in Ajah mansion. Which also know very well that his children has moved on. Anything concerning their father, they not send them again. Since you say make that place they empty, the children are used to it already. Because the worst shame and disgrace you can ever give to your children is coming out on social media to praise another second family you raised under their nose. Not that these children are kids. Like Zin can never understand until he grow because those things are on social media. But you see Daniela and Kai, they carry that pains on their back. which can never be healed, no matter what Yul Edochie think. Surprisingly, Yul Edochie does start again. Yul Edochie does start to dey drag May Edochie. Now, the information coming to us is that Yul Edochie said May Edochie Bake his children go Obodoyibo without his consent. That is the new format where they take come aside. Surprisingly, Yul Edochie won't start part 2 of what he did before. Those of you that has been following this story, remember how Yul Edochie always come out to say one thing or two things about May Edochie. Una remember the way this man they drag May Edochie that time? They say they don't form part 2 story. Yul Edochie is about to come out on social media. He won't come out with that channel where they do preaching pastor work. That channel now won't take come out now. This information just slides come meet us here. So they say this is their plan. This is their January plan. Yoyoyo and Juju Ekwensu, 2 of them. Because people will carry the rumor, they say now 2 of them planner. 2 of them now a planner. Now, this January, they want to use it to drag May Edochie. According to Yul Edochie want to tell you people say May Edochie they overdo. Since the children travel, he cannot talk to them. Nobody told him that they want to take these children to Obodoyibo. Now, social media now if you find out, say the children don't go Obodoyibo. Number 2, since when the children go there, they fit talk to them, they fit reach out to them, they even they see them. Number 3, May Edochie have totally turned his children against him. If the children don't want to see her, they don't want to talk to her, not because he's a bad father, but because May Edochie don't poison their minds. Then he also wants to come aside, come tell us a lot of things when he be say, he and Juju Ekwensu don't sit down. They don't sit down together, talk together. Because at this point now, they say, Juju Ekwensu, all those things when they won't talk, when they use Yul Edochie till they talk. Now, no say, many things where they happen before. Now, Yul Edochie until they talk, or she go use Yul Edochie phone till write am. But since when Yul Edochie come block her and everything, she was not able to do all those things. Right now, Yul Edochie don't still eat the otorokbo where they give her. You don't see the kayamata where they give her. The man eye don't they see back again. Now they don't carry you sit down say, make them start from where they stop by dragging May Edochie. How May Edochie carry children go Obodoyibo? How the children are not okay there? How Zeni is not fine there? How Kai is not enjoying it? How they are crying to come back? How May Edochie just carry these children without planning well, just to pepper him? So all these things, now they say they won't come talk. Before they talk, make they give them the details. This is their plan now. Now May Edochie now be their January content when they won't start. Because they say Juju Ekwensu don they try to convince Yoyoyo say, Yoyoyo, oya, back to square one for what we they do. If we start this thing, we go monetize everywhere. We go to use it until they chop money. Now waiting they tell Yoyoyo now. And be that this man now, he don't chop the things where he don't chop the forbidden fruit. The man kuma, he don't they fall put. So that same dragging they were dragging May Edochie years back, they want to start it again. Juju Ekwensu say they go drag May Edochie this time around. One way consider they pain Juju Ekwensu when he wants to use Yul Edochie still to express her pains na May Nation. Say May Nation wey be say that they drag Yoyoyo, that they drag her children. May Edochie go Obodo na London, go they follow that they celebrate. Go they follow that they happy say that they drag Yoyoyo. Una see forgetting say May Nation there many. May Edochie not even know people wey be May Nation. She just call say take a sip. You see everybody come aside. Davido wey dey how many of his fans you know? How many? Davido fans are all over the world. How many you know? So if one Davido fan come out, come talk one thing now, let me say now Davido tell her make it talk. Any Davido fan wey talk, Wizkid fan reply, now be say now Wizkid and Davido they send there. So right now, they say me Edochie go obodo na London go celebrate May Nation. May they for the fight yo well. May they for the drag our children well. So these are the things that are about to go down. My lovely fans, they say yo don't eat oturumokbo. Now content, now that man won't start to create again. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. So anytime when I see yo come aside, make una remember say I don't tell una for grant. This is their plan. This is their plan. Juju Ekwensu and her sister don't they tell you do it, drag her, put her in her place. You see her because this is what she want to do. If I tell you say Juju Ekwensu plan now to they drag me Edochie, to they fight me Edochie, to they do trouble with me Edochie, that is her plan. But because of May Nation, hey, she knows say she can't try it. That's why she hide. She hide. She not feel they talk. If you now remember that video where she do that day, that posting where she post, where she called it, say me Edochie na witch, you are a witch. That is just a tip of what Juju Ekwensu wanted to do on social media. But she don't get that chance because people go dive on. Not only May Nation, a lot of people will come for her. That word where she write that day, now know how many people will attack Juju Ekwensu. So Juju Ekwensu know say people will come for her. So this is their new method, using Yul Edochie to drag May Edochie. Because if Yul Edochie dey talk am, una no go come say Juju Ekwensu na you, na yo, now they go drag. And right now, they are working on his head. They say this January, na dragging, na Juju Ekwensu and yo. They say na dragging, na yo won't come drag. All in the name of May Edochie carry children go obodo yibo. Na yo won't come take drag. Say you know they see the children, you know they fit talk to the children. Ask me whether yo fair they talk to these children. Ask me whether yo fair they see these children. Ask me whether yo fair send these children. Children where you and they not get contact. Because they go obodo yibo now. Body they pepper Juju Ekwensu. Body they pepper Yul Edochie. They say body they read they pepper and jealousy. You see that Juju Ekwensu way come out for that this thing. Now because they May Edochie carry children go obodo yibo, all the pepper body now Juju Ekwensu take come out for social media. Now you take come out for social media. Now it go enter trap. So you see greediness. See now. He don't go there now. They don't give out to it. Now they want to use him to start dragging his children and his wife again. But Juju Ekwensu, you see at that time when you do those things, we never understand you. Now we know your inside and outside. Hey, all your details they are our diary. So you better tell you to enter house. If you know what is good for you, make una enter house. This is not time to come and show yourself, because you go collect woto, you go tire. This una plan of using May Edochie to come and do social media again. Una better think where. Is it that you carry your children come to they do social media like your fellow celebrity? Or you and Yul Edochie continue from una dance of Isimele Jofo, make una come dey dance the disgrace una generation for social media. You see that you people do that, but you see coming out to drag May Edochie. Now be so una wan start fight, una no go fit end. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. Inshallah. Amen.